friends. Today I'm going to make something that nobody seems to make anymore, Spanish rice. My mom used to make it in the 50s, 60s, and 70s, and I made it for my children who are now adult men. And it's pretty easy and it's tasty. So there. So there means stop. Okay, so in the recipe, of course, you need rice. So I use just Uncle Ben's long grain rice. Bacon, green pepper, onion, cook the rice. We use brown sugar, Worcestershire sauce, and salt, chili powder, salt and pepper to your taste. And then I may put a dash of hot sauce, Frank's or Cholula or any hot sauce you like. And I'm going to put a little bit of garlic when I'm sautéing the onions and peppers. I've kind of, this isn't exactly how my mom made it, but I've tweaked it where it tastes a little bit better. Alright, so it also calls for a can of whole tomatoes and tomato puree or tomato sauce. I forgot about that, and I have a brain fart. So stay tuned because I'm gonna start preparing all this for you, my friends. Okay, you cook the rice. Prepare it as it says on the box of rice. I'm gonna get it going because that takes 20 minutes, and then I'll show you. I'll cut up my onion and green pepper and saute the hamburger and put this little dish together. It'll be tasty. I haven't made it in years. This is a 28-ounce can of whole tomatoes that I've chopped up into chunks. This was a bad can. Or peels. I don't like peels. I want all my food to be just right. So I pulled out all the peels. But it's a 28-ounce can of whole tomatoes chopped up. And let's just turn our bacon a little here, because we're doing a little bakey bacon. Gotta be crisp, so we got a little ways to go. Take it to my green pan. And the recipe calls for a medium onion. This is huge, so I'll probably only do half diced, and then a small green pepper. So I'll probably use the whole thing of this because it'll be good. It'll make it taste good. So I gotta check the bacon out.
Cutting a little bit.
I'm gonna cut my finger off. Yeah, I think I'm only gonna do half of this onion. Well, we'll see. I'll see how I feel about it. How much flavor. Garbage bowl here. Ooh, just sprayed me.
Don't start crying.
I know. These aren't the freshest, but I don't do it like you. Look at this. Now I'm browning the hamburger in the pan that had the bacon. Cook to crisp. I'll chop it up. So we'll let this totally cook. And let it sit for a minute. Get all the goodness off the pan.
How much bake or how much hamburger?
It's a pound.
Pound,
yeah.
Right. Go ahead.
Do sign language like this. Yeah, what? This is a pound of hamburger. can do it over the list after and just say exactly.
Okay.
The rice is done. So I cooked it to the directions, and it's 3/4 cup of rice. I'm not quite sure what pan I'm going to bake these in. We bake it. Everything will be cooked, so you just kind of about 30 minutes on 350 just to warm it through. But I'll just figure it out as we go along because I haven't made it in a while. There, that's there. And here's baby's almost done. So when this is done, I'll put the vegetables. See, the vegetables and everything takes time. You can't do them all together, so it's, you know, it's hard. You have to do it step by step. But that's why I like cooking. So that onion was quite large, so I diced up half the onion, and that was a small green pepper, so I diced up the green pepper. And now I'm going to dice up the bacon, and eventually it's all going in that pot with the rice and tomatoes and brown sugar. Keep the fingers out of the way. Just rough chop. Are you kidding me making faces?
Yep.
You gotta do it, you know, it helps you to keep your face. Okay, so I took the hamburger out, and I always drain all my stuff. The hamburger especially, I don't want grease. So in goes onions and peppers. And once these are, once these are translucent, I'll throw in some garlic. Usually I use fresh garlic, but around here, garlic is awful. I missed the window where I should have bought local. So I'm going to use garlic. You know what that is? Garlic?
No, tell me, what is it?
It's garlic in the jar.
Oh.
It's already diced. Okay, ooh, that smells good. It was like our sausage and peppers we had yesterday.
Yeah.
Peppers and onions.
The aroma of fresh peppers and onions sautéing. Yummy.
Okay, we're doing it. We're getting there. These are pretty juicy. I think in the recipe it called for water also, but I don't think it's going to need it. See? I don't like that. Take that out. Okay, this is nice. I'm going to add a little pepper. Just eyeball it, whatever, how much pepper you like. We like pepper and chili powder. It's a teaspoon. I think that'll be good. Chili powder. For salt in the end. Brown sugar. If it's
You're saying the stuff and I don't have it on.
okay, this is sort of a heaping tablespoon. I want to balance out.
What is it?
Brown sugar and Worcestershire. My label came off. This is William Perrin's, the best. Worcestershire. A tablespoon. Yeah. And then this is a teaspoon of salt. I'm just gonna start with not quite a teaspoon. I'm just gonna, I know how much, probably about a half a teaspoon. Throw some over my shoulder for, keep the devil away. Stir this up. I'm gonna put puree and then taste it. I'm gonna put half a can right now because she's pretty juicy. You can adjust it to your taste, yeah, because this is gonna bake, so it won't be quite as juicy. But it's half a can, half a, what is this, 15-ounce can? We don't need all that it said today. I don't know why, but see how it looks? And 2 shots of Cholula, maybe 3. Okay. Garlic, so I'll put a tablespoon. Yeah. I'm gonna throw the hamburger in. I'm throwing the hamburger in. Come on, buddy, stay with me. All right, now you know what I'm gonna do? This is hot. I burned my fingers. All this is going in the pool. All the garlic. You can get on my other side of it. See, I'm the director. Okay. Baby in the sink. Bacon in, leave a little for the top. I still haven't figured out what dish. Oh, okay, so see this? Everything's in here. I'm gonna add the rest of that, where I only use half a can of the sauce. I'm gonna add the rest. Because it thickened up, I'm going to take a little bit of water because we want all of the goodness. And then I'll taste it again. Oh yeah. Okay. I don't know how many quarts this is. It's one of those temptations. 2.4 quart. I'm going to spray it with my trusty avocado oil. And we'll see if it fits. Oh, it's going to fit. Look at it. It's fitting. I knew it. Look at me. Amazing. So this will go in a 350 oven for about 30 minutes. You're basically, everything's cooked, so you want it to heat through. So 30, 40 minutes, depending on your oven. And I'm gonna take the bacon, just sprinkle it on top. Bacon is love, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. Alrighty, so we're gonna put it in the oven. We'll be back to show you. There she is, Spanish rice, right out of the oven with some French bread. It's got garlic and cheese on it, and a nice Sunday meal before the football game. And any questions, comment down below, and we'll be happy to answer your questions. Like and subscribe. See you again. Chin chin. Ciao Bella. There it is. Yummy. Can't wait to dig in. I'm hungry. Nice piece of bread with that.
Do a couple. They're on the small side. Yeah.
That's right.
I'm ready.